Hi friends, we're here for Unit 3, Week 1, Day 4. We're going to start just like every other day and practice our sounds, so make sure you say your sounds after her. Perfect. Good job, friends. So we're also going to do a new activity with your sight words. So I'm going to show you a screen and it's going to have a word on it. You're going to say the word, but every so often you're going to see some actions. And so when you get to these screens, you're going to stop and you're going to do the actions while the music's playing. For instance, this one is crunches, so you would stop and do crunches during this. So you might want to go ahead and stand up. Let's practice our sight words. I'm going to say them too. The, a, oh, do crunches. And, is, his, of, toe touches. As, has, run in place. To, and 2. And that's all the words we know, so good job. Take a breather. And now it's time to start our actual lesson. Good job practicing. Okay, so we have a word of the day. Our word of the day we're going to be able to sound out and tap out. I'm going to put the word on the screen. I want you to get your tapping fingers ready. Here we go. Tap with me. Shh. Shut. One more time. Shh. Shut. What does it mean to shut something? Think about that. I say shut the door a lot. I say, please shut the cabinet. What does it mean? Well, if I have something that's open, I can't shut it, so I can close it. I need to mark this word up. So I know that I'm going to mark up my digraph. Do you see a digraph in this word? You sure do, and it's right here at the beginning. My digraph is SH, and it says shh. Remind me, how many taps on my fingers does a digraph get? Just one. So when I tap this word, my first sound, SH, goes shh. Very good. I want you to come up with a sentence with the word shut in it. Here's my example. Please go shut the door. Now you come up with a sentence. I'm going the wrong way, guys. All right, let's practice our trick words. Now remember, trick words are super tricky. And that means I can't tap them out. They're the ones I have to just look at and know. So I'm going to read you your trick words. As, to, the, into, has, a, and, his, is. Oh, okay, so those are our trick words. So now I'm going to try and trick you. So get your finger out, because I'm going to say a trick word and you're going to point to the screen and see if you can find which one I'm talking about. Let's see if you can find has. Oh, that's right here. See if you can find of. Right here. Ooh. As. Up here. The. Right here. His. Is. A. To. Into. And our last one, and. Right here. Good job. Now I'm going to get our tiles. They look like this. And now I'm going to say some words. If you have a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil, now would be a good time to go get those. Pause the video if you need to go and get them. We're going to build some words. So I'm going to say the word, we're going to tap the word, and then you can write the word, and I'm going to build with our tiles. Pause the video if you need to go get your stuff. All right, let's get started. Our first word that we are going to spell is mash. Say that word with me. Mash. Now we're going to tap it. So get your tapper up. Here we go. Sh. Mash. Help me out. What should I put for and M? Go ahead and write that M if you have something to write on. After I said ah. What should I put for ah? An A. Very good. My last one, this is a new sound. Shh. What says shh? A digraph. SH. So I'm going to put SH. Go ahead and take your time. Pause the video if you need to write that. I'm going to mark this word up. To mark this word up, I have to underline my digraph, which is SH. So now when I look at that word, I see an underline. I know, oh, there must be a digraph. All right, everybody, mash with your hands like you're mashing potatoes. Mash with your hands. Good job. I'm going to move all of these over. Let's do another word. Let's do ship. Say that word with me. Ship. Now let's tap it out. Get your hand up. Tap ship. Sh. I. Ship. I hear a digraph at the very beginning of that. Shh. What digraph says? Shh. SH does. What digraph says? I. Oh, I'm sorry. What vowel says? I. My last sound is p. What says that? A P. Very good. Now, do you see a digraph in this word? I do at the very beginning, SH, so I'm going to underline because that's how I mark that word up. Ship. Very good. I'm going to move these over. I want you to erase or move whatever you have. And we're going to do one more together. Our word is thud. Say that with me. Thud. Now tap it out. D. Thud. One more time. D. Thud. That first sound is a digraph. It's one of our new sounds. What do I put? I put a TH. That's my value. D. Pause the video if you need to write your letters. And our last step is to mark this word up. So I'm going to find my digraph. That's the TH right here. And I'm going to underline that digraph. Good job. Say that word one more time. Thud. I'm going to move these over. And we are all done. Good job.